I show you how to install a Shopify theme on the new store or your existing store. Your new store look like this, and if you have already existing store, then it will look like with some contents, etc. So if you purchase a theme like Speedo themes, and once you buy that theme, then you will get the zip file. So what you have to do, you have to just log in admin, and admin look like this. You have to go online store and themes, and once you go in the themes, you will see this option add, upload the zip, add file. Once I purchased that theme, then I got the zip like this, and you have to just upload that zip, upload files. Then you have to wait 2 or 3 minutes, so it will be completed, uploaded. And meanwhile, you can see that default themes is look like this. This one theme is default dawn theme right now, and we purchased this one, black and white pet store. So after install this theme, you can publish this one, and you can replace this theme to here. So dawn theme will be second, and this new theme will be published. Let's see that. Also you can view also you can view preview from here. This is still old theme, and let's wait to get completed this. And if you want to change logo, banner, etc., then you can also click on the customize. You can see that uploaded is completed, so you can publish that theme, publish, and now it's done. Actually, you can see the preview from here. Yes, you can see the here the new theme is installed. And if you want to upload like the banners, logo, etc., then you just simply have to come back admin and just check your theme name, and just go to the customize. So you just, if you want to change anything in header, just click on header, and you can see here you can upload your logo, upload file from your computers. And if you want to change banner, then click on the banners. You will get the slide image here. So it's very easy to install the theme. Thank you.